She got there, Rennie.
Candy.
Candy? The whole thing's full of candy?
Yeah, look at it.
Oh my gosh, that's the good stuff.
I don't like the little Tootsie Rolls. You can't give that away.
I don't have that much. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look how adorable. That is just so cute. Look how cute she is. He's a little lion. Oh, baby's so cute.
I need one.
There. This is bad lighting, but whatever. Ella.
Eli wants that.
I just want to go trunk or treating.
Okay, you want to take Carter with you?
Carter, want to go trunk or treating?
Just walk around with her so she doesn't get lost. Thanks.
Oh, wow.
I like this one.
That lion is
Sharon. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. Look, it's Harry Potter. Now, were you a tornado? Is that what I understood? Wow, that's awesome! Okay, I'm gonna be tornado next year. Just kidding. I don't know. That was cool though. It's a unicorn with a princess riding on it. Oh my gosh, too adorable. Ella. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Sorry, I just love her too much.
Loki, hey. Loki, sit. Hey, sit.
Hello. That's so funny. That's a girl in a taco costume. I wish she'd turn around. Taco costume. Oh, please turn around. Oh, there she is. Oh, yes.